Hey, what's up, Boxers? This is Zach Rosette with Buildbox. In this video, we're going to go over 5 of my favorite indie dev tips for awesome game design. This is taken from an article written by Tiana Crump, who is the staff writer here at Buildbox. And if you'd like to follow along with Tiana Crump's blog and the Buildbox blog, then you can go over to buildbox.com and go to the community tab and select the Buildbox blog tab here, and you can follow along. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First on the list is start small and gain experience. You want to choose a simple, minimalistic art style and create a hyper-casual type game to start off with. A good example of this is The Line Zen by Trey Smith, who is the CEO and founder here at Buildbox. And this is a great gameplay to start off with. There is a lot that you can do with just simple shapes. So this is a great tester to work on making level design and creating different levels just by working with different shapes and by creating something very, very simple, but yet very, very fun. And then once you've got that game under your belt, you want to just keep building and create more and more games until you get better and better. The more games you make, the better you'll get. David Reichelt made over 40 games before he designed his mobile hit Color Switch, which I'm sure many of you have played. Second on the list is selecting the right color theme. Now, I love this tip because it's something that a lot of people don't expect, but yet color plays a huge role in video game design. One great website to look at for color palettes and for checking out which colors go with which colors is colorlovers.com. And you can go to the link here in the blog post. You can also check out my video for mobile video game design tips. It's a good video if you're looking for a couple more tips on designing mobile video games. Third on the list is once you do create your game and you're putting it out there into the world, you want to make sure that you're not cutting corners with your game graphics. Your game graphics are going to be the first thing that your players will notice, and you also want to try to make sure that your game's graphics are just as good, if not better, than the other competing games in your genre. I have a great video called 5 Quick Animation Tricks that you can check out and watch, and we'll have the link to that video in the description of this video below. And I go over some resources that you can have for creating cool animations within Buildbox and within your games to make your games stand out and be a little bit unique and have great game graphics so that it impresses your players. Fourth on the list is adding surprise and wonder in unique ways. Adding surprise and wonder into your game design is much easier than you may think. You can instantly make your game more exciting by adding hidden portals that will suddenly transport your players into bonus zones. A great example of this is our game Bruce Lee Dragon Run, published by Ketchup. Throughout the game are hidden portals that when you jump through, your character transforms into a fire-breathing dragon flying in the sky collecting bonus coins. It's pretty cool and just one of many ways you can creatively use portals. A good video for level design is a video that I created called 5 Cool Level Design Tricks that you can check out, and we'll have the link to that video below as well. And it's going to be useful, and you can watch me go over a couple things that'll help your game design. All right, and my fifth and final favorite tip from this article is stick with it and never give up. And it sounds a little bit cliche, but I've said this one as well many times before. It really takes grit to finish out a video game, to see it through to fruition, and to get it out there so that your players can enjoy it. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, so you need to really put a lot of effort and a lot of time into it, but you got to believe in yourself and stick with it and never give up. So I hope you thought this video was useful. Keep an eye out for more videos to come. We're going to have more videos coming later this week, and as always, keep on boxing.